Alright, so now I'm using a white 4.5 inch Kitech swim bait. That's what my dad's using too, on a VMC 1/4 ounce jig head. There's the first one of the day for me. Really little though. Healthy little fish on the Kitech. These rocks are a pain. There's one. That's a big one. Oh, this is freaking huge. I got a hog. This is a big guy. Stay down, stay down. Don't ruin the rocks. Oh, this is a big fish. Oh, he's splashing everything. That's a nice 3-pounder right there. On that Kitech swim bait. He ate that good. Dad, he tapped it, so I just kept reeling it in really slow, and I saw my line just go straight out. That's a nice 3.5. 3.5 pounder right there. Kind of thin, but kind of chunky also. I'm gonna go get a weight and I'll get the release. All right, I'm gonna get a weight on him right now. I'm guessing 3 pounds, 4 ounces. Calm down, buddy. Three pounds, 5 ounces, so pretty dang close right there. Freaking chunky fish. Really hungry, really healthy, and hungry, I guess. Slam my Kitech. See it, dude. Nice summer bass right there. Got another good one. Oh, this is another hog, guys. He's gonna jump. He just tapped it. My dad just missed one. Another good fish right here. Not as big. Still a nice 2.5. They're eating the Kitech so good right now. That's a nice 2-pounder right there. Not as healthy as the other fish, but still really pretty fish. Another really pretty 2-pounder right there on that Kitech. There's another big one. Not that big though. Or else he's running right at me. Not that big. Another nice little pound fish. My dad's over there shaking his head. They're killing this Kitech. Another little poundfish right there. But take him. It's hot summer day like this. This little fish. And that Kitech killed him at this golf course pond. See, dude. There he goes. Usually when you come to golf course ponds like this, guys, you'll catch a lot of fish because they're not pressured, so they don't know any better. Another little dink right there. He was running out with it. Even these little fish, guys, see? They'll hit this big 4.5-inch Kitech swim bait. So never be afraid to throw. Even, I know 4.5-inch swim bait isn't that big, but never be afraid to throw a bigger bait. This one's pretty tore up. I'm gonna grab a new one. Pocket. Alright, well, right as I turned the camera off, my dad just caught a little crappie. I'm actually gonna go back over where he is. He seems to be catching all the frickin' fish. Frickin' crazy. Crappie and bluegill are in here are so aggressive. They'll bite a 4.5-inch Kitech. Just got another little dink my dad did. Is that your best fish of the day? He just got his best fish of the day. Probably almost a pound. Not really, but. Oh my gosh. They're eating this Kitech so good. You can get that. Nice. Nice fish. Dad's got another one on. The Kitech. I put it down even though I was catching all the fish on it. I wanted to fish something different.
Yeah, that's smart. Of course, I haven't caught anything big.
Yeah, it's true.
Good sign that to see all these little ones in here. We know they're big ones.
Yep. Even caught that 3.5 today, so.